A Swedish woman who blocked the deportation of an Afghan asylum seeker by refusing to sit down on an airplane is facing 2 weeks in jail following a one-day trial in Gothenburg today. Elin Ersson, 21, is accused of breaking aviation law when she failed to comply with orders from Turkish Airways crew at Landvetter Airport in Gothenburg in July 2018. She had purchased a ticket for the Istanbul flight with the intention of preventing the deportation of another Afghan man, however ended up stopping the expulsion of a 52-year-old convicted criminal. Prosecutor James von Rice asked the judge at Gothenburg District Court to jail Ersson for 14 days if she is found guilty, with the ruling set to come in 2 weeks' time. Bismillah S. had served time for assault, but Swedish police said his denied asylum application had not been related to his crimes. Ersson's live-streamed video recording of her protest, which sees her argue with disgruntled passengers and staff ordering her to take her seat, went viral and generated millions of views worldwide. At one point in the video, a disgruntled fellow passenger tries to seize her phone, but she asks him, "What is more important, a life or your time? All I want to do is stop the deportation, and then I will comply with the rules here." "This is all perfectly legal, and I have not committed a crime." However, prosecutors disagreed and indicted her for breaking aviation laws in October last year. The trial, which is expected to last just half a day, is being held in Gothenburg District Court, and if convicted, she faces up to 6 months in jail as well as fines. Ersson had initially planned on stopping the deportation of a 21-year-old Afghan man whose asylum application had also been rejected. However, upon arrival at Landvetter Airport, she was told he had already been sent out of the country on another flight. When she heard that 52-year-old Bismillah S. was due to be deported on an upcoming flight, she bought a ticket. Her disruption of the flight severely delayed takeoff and eventually saw her and the Afghan and his assigned security removed from the flight. Ersson said afterwards that she had not been aware that the 52-year-old was a convicted criminal, however said she still felt her protest was justified, as going to Afghanistan amounted to a death sentence. Bismillah S. was deported to Afghanistan a few weeks later. Ersson's lawyer has maintained that his client is innocent, saying the Aviation Act only applies to actions taken whilst the plane is in the air. During the entire action, she was prepared to follow the orders of the captain on board, and she left the plane as soon as the pilot decided that she should do so, the lawyer, Thomas Frid, said at the time of indictment in October.